Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional in the yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, January the 28th, 2023. It's actually today, Sunday. And Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. So, yeah, I've decided to solve the additional of the yesterday's edition. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku, and this one is a hard one, actually 4-star Sudoku. Then two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And this one, you are interested in this one, yes, because it's binary time. And this one will be number 5874. 5874. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. 14. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, Dano. We have four O's here in this column, so the rest are ones. Alright. And an O between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, and fourth one. So those 2 boxes should be an O then. Okay. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no. Dano. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, Dano. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. And now. 3, and I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Alright, 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have here 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Alright. Then yeah. Then we need to think. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. They should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. But I do not know in which order, so we have the first one, second one, third one, and the fourth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Well. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And I know no. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this first column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Completed in 4 minutes. Wow, without comparing. Surprise. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. The 4 stars tectonic. Yes. No comparing. Alright. No comparing. Again, thank you, and see you later. Bye bye.